Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and wallet management. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to send Avalanche from your Tangem wallet to Coinbase in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner looking to cash out or an experienced trader optimizing your portfolio, this process is straightforward once you know the ropes. First things first, make sure you have your Tangem wallet app installed on your device and your Coinbase account set up and verified. It's 2025, so double-check that both platforms are updated to the latest versions for the best security features. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app and navigate to the Avalanche asset. You'll see your balance displayed. Select it to initiate a transfer. Pro tip: always verify your wallet's seed phrase and ensure you're on a secure network to avoid any hiccups. Step 2. Generate or copy your Coinbase wallet address. Head over to your Coinbase app or website, go to your Avalanche wallet, and hit the Receive button. This will give you a unique address. Copy it carefully, as accuracy is key here. Step 3. Back in Tangem, paste the Coinbase address into the Send to field. Enter the amount of Avalanche you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the transaction fees. In 2025, network fees might be lower due to upgrades, but always confirm to keep costs down. Step 4. Hit the Confirm button and authenticate the transaction using your Tangem wallet's security features, like biometric verification or your PIN. Once approved, the transfer will be broadcast to the Avalanche network. Finally, Step 5. Monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Avalanche's official site. It should show up in your Coinbase account within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. And just like that, you're done. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so always double-check details before sending. If you run into issues, reach out to Tangem or Coinbase support. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next one.